Hello guys, good morning all. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. Today I'm going to start a new topic. Mahesh. Kottapalli Mahesh, please mute. Mahesh. Last class we completed relationships topic. Today I'm going to start with validation rules. So what is validation rule? Validation rule, I can say it is a mechanism is used to stop or restrict invalid data is entered by the end user to implement business rules. Understand the point, everyone? What is this? It is a mechanism which is used to stop or restrict invalid data, which is entered by the end user to implement what? Business rules. First of all, tell me what is the meaning of invalid data? Anyone of you?
Invalid characters.
Invalid
Like
characters.
space.
Incompatible data types.
Suppose instead of entering numeric values, you're trying to enter character.
So that one.
The better field. Suppose, take the example, student roll number is there. What we need to enter? Numeric value we need to enter. Sir, no.
Numbers.
Instead of entering numeric value, if you enter character value, then automatically that is invalid data. Sir, no. Hello?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So because that is data type mismatching. Fine. Entering the duplicate data, that is also treated as invalid data. Suppose email IDs is there. Email ID field. Sir, no. Email ID field is what? It is for unique everybody. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you are trying to enter duplicate email IDs for two different students, should not enter. Because two different students should not have the same email IDs. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
That is also treated as invalid data. Okay, one more example. While I'm entering the date of birth field, so date of birth field value, suppose one of the student date of birth is 12th December 1990. Understand?
Yes, sir.
That is the date of birth of one student. But instead of entering 1990, the end user enters to the 2090. Is it valid date of birth, invalid date of birth?
Invalid.
Why? Because nobody's date of birth is future date. Yes or no?
Yes.
2090 is the future year, not past year.
Present year.
No date, nobody's date of birth is always what? Nobody's date of birth is what? Future date. Everybody's date of birth is past date. Yes or no? Or maybe current date. But nobody's date of birth is future date. This kind of data we treated as what? What is this?
Invalid.
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 Validated. Understand all of you? Understand all of you? That kind of data treated as what? Invalid data.
Yes, sir.
Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
వాటర్ నీళ్ళకెళ్ళి చూడు ఒకసారి ఎక్కుతున్నాయి లేదా ఆగిపోయారు. That is treated as what? Invalid data. So we have to stop this data using what?
Validation.
Validation tools. So validations are of two types, guys. Validations are of two types of validations. One is what?
Standard,
Standard validation. Second one,
custom validation.
Standard validation means it is given by
Salesforce.
Salesforce. Custom validation means
By
it is
developer.
created by developer as per the
Client requirement.
client need. Standard validations are of four types. First one, size or someone need to mute, guys. I'm getting some noise around you. Abhijit, please mute. Size or width checking. Data type checking. Mandatory field checking. Uniqueness checking. So total how many here? Hello. We got four. Size or width checking, data type checking, mandatory field checking, and uniqueness checking. Size or width checking. For example, take this example. Login.salesforce.com. What is the username? Match 13.
14.
14.
Yeah. Open student as subject. Click on new button. Student name. Let me give my name. Is all of you know my name?
No.
Sainath.
Sign up.
That is not my actual name. This is my name.
VJ. Oh, wow.
So this is my name actually. What is that, Chidi?
I said VJ. I like VJ.
Yeah, you love Vijay. Okay.
I like VJ. Yeah, I have a friend called VJ.
Oh, great. So Abhigyan Vijay Prakash Sharma. This is my name.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Nice.
Very lengthy name. Very lengthy.
Yes.
Still, I want to enter one more name because I do not enter my surname also. Let me add my surname. Not allow me. It's not allowing me. I'm trying to enter, not allowing me. It automatically stops. Surname. Why? Because the
Length is
contains 30 characters, including spaces. That isn't. Understand all of you?
Yes,
It
sir.
contains 30
Yes, sir.
characters, including spaces. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, why? Because while creating the student name field, go to objects. Let me open student as object. What is this?
Date of birth.
No, 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 no. Student name. How many characters are given length?
30.
30 characters.
You're trying to enter more than 30 characters, don't allow, okay?
Then
Oh,
Yes, sir.
understand. Email
Yes,
ID are given as what? Unique. Won't allow duplicate email IDs. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me open student subject. Already Abhijit record is there. Abhijit record email ID is what? abhi@gmail.com. Okay. Vijay Prakash Sharma. I'm giving, what is this? abhi@gmail.com. Is it allowed or not allowed?
No, it's not allowed.
Huh? Speak out.
No, sir, it will not allow.
Why?
Email
Email
ID will
is
be unique.
unique. Yeah.
Duplicate value on record. Okay.
Mhm.
Already exist. Yeah.
Just- Abhijit I given. Now it is allowed or not allowed?
Allowed.
Allows.
Allowed.
Allowed, sir.
But I do not enter the value for what? Course name. Is it allowed or not allowed?
No, sir.
Not allowed.
Not allowed.
Not
It is
allowed.
mandatory. It is
Because
Field
mandatory.
it's
is
mandatory.
required compulsory.
It's mandatory field. So machine learning.
Shield up.
Date of birth field. So 5th October 1990 I given. Is it allowed or not allowed?
Not
Not allowed.
allowed.
Not allowed because I given alphabet and also numeric values.
Yeah, different
So date of
format.
birth field does not allow this kind of data. Data type mismatching. What is the message you got?
No data.
Data.
Invalid data. So size or width checking, data type checking, mandatory field checking, and uniqueness checking. These are all comes under what?
Standard
validation.
Standard
validation.
validation.
Standard validation. Now I'm going to discuss about custom validation. It is created by developer as per the client's need. Okay. For example, listen carefully and try to understand. Suppose I'm running some institute. What is it? Some software training institute.
Durga Soft.
Abdullah soft kind of. In my institute, I have a rule. What is my rule is? What is my rule is? Whoever student trying to join, that student should have more than 23 years age. If any student age is less than 23, you will not get the admission for that student. My point is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Your student trying to join in our institute, that student should have more than 23 years age. If any student age is less than 23, we will not provide the admission for that person. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So what we have to do? Can I go for standard validation? Is standard validation fulfill this requirement? No.
Yes, sir.
So for that we need to write what?
Custom validation.
Validation. So how to write the custom validation? Tell me, I want to write the custom validation on which field as per this scenario?
Age.
Very good. Which field? Age field I need to write. Go to setup here and go down,
To create.
click on build create. What is the next one?
Objects.
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 Student.
Student as
Field.
object.
Fields.
A separate
Page.
section here. What is the section name?
Validation rules.
Validation rules. And let's click on
New.
what button?
New.
It should not be.
Age rule.
Age rule.
Age rule. I give an age rule. If this formula expression is true, then display the text defined error message area.
Age greater than 23.
Yeah, if it is less than 23, error
No
message will
addition. Mm.
insert
Age less than
which
20.
field? Age field. Age rubber underscore C. Is it custom field or standard field?
Custom field.
Custom field.
Custom.
Custom field. Every custom field ends with what?
Underscore.
Double underscore C.
Yeah, less than
23.
23.
23. If the condition is true, then it will display what?
Error message.
Error message.
If it is more than 23 years, it won't display any error message. Fixed syntax.
Yes.
What is the message you got on the screen?
No error found.
No errors found. Error message.
Yes, sir.
This message will appear when error condition formula is true. Understand?
Less than 23.
Ah, of course. What is the error message you want to display?
Age
Please
cannot-
enter valid age.
Age should more than
It should be more than 23.
more than 23 years. All of you. Age should
Yes.
more than how many years?
23.
23 years. Understand? Tell me where you want to display this message. The top of the page or below the field?
Field.
Below the field. Under which field?
Age.
Age.
No, age field is not displaying. Age automatically calculated, na?
Date of birth.
Self relationship.
Date of birth. Okay.
Click on what? Save.
Mhm.
So validation rule created. What is the rule name?
Age.
Age rule.
Age rule. What is the condition here?
23 or
Less than
more.
Less than
23.
23. Is it active or not? Yes, it is an active.
Active.
Age should more than how many years? 23.
23.
And where you want to display the error message?
Date of birth.
Date of
Date of
birth.
birth field. Now open student as subject. Siri, what is your age?
22.
22. Great. Good. I thought 16.
Not allowed. Instead,
Not allowed.
more than 23.
Let me give 2000. 2000 means 22 years. Okay. Course name. SFDs. Trainer name. Raj. Is this record will allow or not?
Won't allow. Validation error.
Tell me what is the
Oh.
what is
Age
the
to more than 23 years.
It should be more than
More than 23 years can be applicable.
so that is how we can stop the record. Understand everyone?
Mhm.
Yes. Sir.
Now Chidi got a doubt here. What's his doubt is, okay, I understand this rule, but out of near about 1, 2, 3, and 6 records, out of 6 records, okay, there are 2 students age is less than 23. That is Abhijit's age is how much? 0.
0.
And Anusha age is how much?
100.
So both are ages less than 23 only. But the validation rule, what I applied, that is not applicable on existing records in the subject. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Why? The validation rule is applicable only on succeeding records, new records. The validation rule is not applicable on existing records. If you want to apply the validation rule on existing records, what we need to do? That is somebody's question. Answer is very simple. Open Abhijit record. What is Abhijit the age here?
0.
0.
Click on edit and click on save. Automatic rule applicable or not? Point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right.
Point is clear now? Good. Like that,
Yes.
what is the last record here? Anusha's record. Allowed or not allowed? 24. 24 less than 23, condition false. That is the error message won't display. Okay. Guys, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now everyone understand this example clearly? How to apply the validation rule?
Yes, sir.
Is all of you understand the navigation steps?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
How to create the navigation rule? Validation rule. Now, I'm going to give some examples of homework. Do it on your own. We have employee as object. Or no?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, if one of the validation rule doesn't pass, now then the record itself should not get created, right?
I didn't get your question. Tell me.
Suppose age is less than 23, na, then the
Then-
validation. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, suppose age is less than 23, then it means like validation doesn't pass. Then the record
Less
should
than
not get
23, validation passed. Validation is
Validation.
going to apply. If it is less than 23.
Okay.
If it is more than 23, no validation can apply. Because condition true, more than 23 allows. No problem.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, like if the valid age is 23, now then the record should not get created, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but for this Abhijit, the record is getting created now, sir. When the age is
Zero.
even though the age is showing us 0.
Yeah. Because at the moment I'm applying Abhijit record, I do not apply validation rule.
Okay.
The moment I inserted the record, Abhijit record, Anusha's record, I do not apply any validation rule. Validation rule just now I applied. Or no?
Okay.
Earlier we do not have any validation rules on employee, student as subject. Or no?
Yes, sir.
That is why those two records are inserted.
Okay, sir.
Is this clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next. So take this employee as subject. Everyone know employee as subject here. Employee as subject contains employee ID. We have something like employee name, employee salary, employee department number. Maybe 4 fields are there. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4 fields are there. My company rule is, in my company, we have only 4 departments are there. How many?
4 departments.
That is department number 10, department number 20, 30 and 40. So as per the company rule, whoever employees are working in this company, those employees working in either 10th department or 20 or 30 or 40. Other than these 4 departments, other than these 4 departments, no employee working in any other department. Suppose if you are entering other than these 4 departments, that record we need to stop. For example, I am the end user. I am entering the data into employee subject. While I'm entering the data in employee subject, I given department number 90, or maybe 13, or maybe 11, or maybe 111. Okay. Other than these 4 values, if I give any other number under department number field, this record need to what? Need to stop. This is my first question. Everyone understand the scenario?
Yes, sir.
All of you understand the scenario here? So guys,
Yes, sir.
next
Please repeat once again, sir.
scenario very simple. In my company, I have only 4 departments, 10, 20,
Yes.
30, 40. Other than these
Okay.
4 departments, if you enter any other department, that record should not allow.
Sure.
Okay.
Got it.
Second point is salary feed also there. My company is very richest company, very much richest. In my company, from sweeper to CEO, sweeper to CEO, every employee salary is more than
$1 lakh.
$25,000. That much of richest company. Even sweeper salary is also more than 22,000. And all of you.
Yes.
That is a company rule. Suppose while entering the record into employee subject, under salary field, if you are trying to enter less than 25,000, that record should not allow.
Okay.
Logic understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
So point understand scenario.
Yes, sir.
So both are belongs to which a subject.
Employee.
Employee.
A first validation rule on which field? Department number field.
Department number.
Second one, salary.
Salary.
And one more example I'll give you. Okay, as I said, I'm running some institute. Whoever students trying to join Salesforce course, that student should have more than 20 years. The age rule is applicable only for Salesforce course. It is not applicable for other courses. If any student join other than Salesforce course, even that student age is less than 23, no objection, we will provide the admission. No problem. But specifically, if any student join Salesforce course, that particular student must and should have more than 23 years. The point is clear now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure, no? So this is all about what here? Come on. Validation.
Valid.
So total, how many examples are given for homework?
1, 2, 3.
Examples.
Department number.
This department number, the other one is salary, third one is age.
Age for Salesforce course.
So take it as homework.
All right.
Sir, how to apply the condition for department 10, 20, 30?
But you have to decide. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. You have to think. You have to analyze. Are you a developer boss? Huh?
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
We'll do it.
Very good. So it is all about what here? Validation rules. Is this point clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take it as homework. Next
All
one.
right.
Next topic is field dependency. What is the topic name?
Field dependence.
Field dependency. What is field dependency? One field depending on another field. For example, we have so many states in India. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Under each state, we have so many
Cities.
cities. Tell me, cities are the part of states, yes or no?
Yes.
But
Yes.
state is not the part of city, isn't it?
No.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Cities are the part of state, state is not the part of city. City depending on what?
State.
Okay. So city depending on state. So one field depending on what?
Another.
On the other.
Other field. So let us create two fields, state and city. Then I will tell you the importance of field dependency concepts. Let me create two more fields. Build, create. Under create, objects. Under objects, student. Click on new button. What is the data type?
Quick list.
For the state, sir. Quick list.
States name. Select the state.
See here, guys. Field label,
State.
state.
Enter value.
Tell me some states in India.
MH.
Telangana.
Maharashtra.
Andhra,
AP.
Okay.
MH.
Andhra Pradesh. Adodre
Telangana.
MH.
Delhi.
Karnataka.
Kerala,
Sikkim.
Okay. I given some what do you call? Some states.
Main
AP, Telangana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Odisha, and Kerala. Okay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. వస్తాడులేనా నన్నురా పడతా ముందుకి నేను చూస్తాను ఎక్కడుంది అడు తెలుసు కదా అడు చేస్తాడు సో క్లిక్ ఆన్ వాట్ హియర్
Next.
దాంట్లో పెట్టి
System admin.
సిస్టమ్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్
Save admin.
save and let me create one more field. What is the data type?
Quick list.
Quick list.
City.
In Andhra Pradesh, what are the major cities?
Vijayawada.
Vijayawada,
Amravati.
Guntur,
Hyderabad.
Kurnool.
Guntur,
Tirupati.
I given some names. Telangana,
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, Warangal,
Warangal. Mahbubnagar.
Nalgonda,
Adilabad. Maharashtra, Mumbai,
Pune,
Nagpur, Kolhapur,
Nasik,
Nasik. Next,
Solapur.
Tamil Nadu, Chennai,
Chennai, Erode,
Madurai,
Erode,
Thrissur. Thrissur.
Coimbatore, Madurai, Chennai, Ooty, Coimbatore, and what?
Hubli,
Rameshwaram,
Rameshwaram. In Karnataka,
Bangalore,
Bangalore,
Mysore,
Bangalore.
Bangalore, Mangalore, Mangalore,
Bangalore,
Mysore,
Mysore,
Dharwad,
Hubli. Anything else?
Shivamogga,
Huh?
Shivamogga,
Shivamogga. Is spelling correct?
yes sir.
Next, Karnataka. Okay. Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Rourkela, Dharampur,
You have Surat.
huh?
Surat.
Surat is not belongs to Orissa. Surat belongs to Maharashtra.
Okay.
Gujarat,
Gujarat. Surat is part of Gujarat.
Yeah. Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Rourkela, Dharampur.
Bandipur.
What is it?
Bandipur.
Spelling?
Bandipur.
Bandipur. Okay. So
POR.
these all belongs to Orissa. Okay. So click on what? I think Konark is also there, na? Puri.
Yes, sir. Puri.
Puri is very famous.
PURI. Puri.
So click on what? Next. Again, it should be visible to
administrator.
system administrator.
Hello, sir. Sir, if we select Maharashtra, then the field should be only Maharashtra cities. How can we create that?
Yeah, that itself is field dependency.
It should only create show the Maharashtra
I'll
cities only.
explain you. Please wait. Okay, two fields are created, city and what? State. Now, let me add the fields. Anusha, it belongs to which place?
State, city.
Anusha. Is Anusha absent today?
No, sir. I'm there.
You belongs to which place?
Guntur district, Andhra.
Andhra Guntur district. Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, open Anusha's record. She belongs to Andhra Pradesh. First time.
Selected
She
another.
belongs to which place in Andhra Pradesh? Guntur. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, suppose I selected Mumbai.
Invalid
Is
data.
Mumbai city
No.
belongs to Andhra Pradesh?
No.
No. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is wrong city or not?
Yes, sir.
If I click on save button, God will save or not?
Saves.
No.
God will
Saves.
save. Because Salesforce don't know whether Mumbai belongs to Andhra Pradesh or Maharashtra. Yes or no?
He knows only US.
That's it. Clear all of you.
Yes, sir.
But this is wrong city. That is why if you select state, whichever state is selected, only that related cities should be displayed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Should not display all the cities. If it is display all the cities, what will happen? Then there might
Invalid.
be a chance of choosing the wrong city. Yes or no?
True, sir.
Yes.
Here, there might be a chance. Abhijit record is there. Abhijit belongs to which place?
Pune, sir.
Belongs to Pune.
Yeah.
So Pune is Maharashtra. Okay. But it displaying what? All the, what is this?
Cities.
Checklist.
Cities. Then
City.
I selected Chennai. Is Chennai belongs to Maharashtra state?
No, sir.
Wrong.
No. So that is why if it is selected all the cities, there might be a chance of choosing the wrong city like that. Or no?
True,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Mhm.
Okay. So should not. My requirement is whichever state is selected, only that related state cities should be displayed. Rest of the cities should be hide. It won't display. Or it should not display. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So for that, we need to make use of what?
Field dependency.
Field
Field
dependency.
dependency. Field dependency can also be called as pick list dependency. What is this? Field dependency can also be called as what? Pick list dependency. So one field depending on what? Another
On the
field.
other.
My point is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
How to do this? Go to setup. Go down.
Objects.
Create objects. Student as object.
Validation.
Here, what is this?
Field dependencies.
Click on field dependency.
Click on new.
Click on new. What is the controlling field?
State.
What is the dependent field?
City.
City.
Okay. State depending on what here? City. So click on what?
Continue.
Continue. Go down. Into AP. Vijayawada, Tirupati, Guntur, Rajahmundry. Telangana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu,
Sir, you choose Nashik.
You know Nashik.
Nashik is selected in Tamil Nadu.
You included Nashik in Tamil Nadu.
Oh, okay. Click on exclude value. Okay. Next. Karnataka. Exclude values. What is the last and final one here? Odisha. Okay. Odisha and Kerala also there. Oh, sorry. I forgot to give Kerala.
Down.
Yeah, Cuttack we can place. Cuttack is not in Kerala.
Cuttack belongs to Odisha.
Odisha.
Cuttack not belongs to Kerala. Cuttack belongs to Odisha.
Okay.
Actually, I do not enter the values for Kerala here.
Okay.
I forgot. No problem. Give it. It is showing message. On containing field, values have not independent values included. Save anyway, yes. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now open student the subject. Open Uma. God, who is Uma here?
Yeah, it's me, sir.
Belongs to
Guntur, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh, Guntur. Okay.
Yes.
City is gray out or not?
Yes, sir.
I selected AP. Now, the moment I
Okay.
selected state, city automatically enabled. Now it is displaying only the cities who belongs to Andhra Pradesh.
You selected Telangana.
Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is all about field sequence. Am I clear this point of explanation regarding field dependency?
Yes, sir.
Yep, yep, yep.
Yes.
I'll catch you tomorrow same time.
Thank you, sir.